this is Robyn. Welcome to MYPINKSTAMPER.com. Today I'm going to show you a quick card using our little elephant stamp set along with the elephant builder punch and some silver and some melon mambo and just some sparkles. So I am working on customer thank you cards for my customers today. So we'll go ahead and jump right in. If you are new to my channel, welcome. You can find all of the materials and projects, or product that you see for this project. I'll have the item code along with the description, and you can find all of them directly on my shopping page, mypinkstamper.stampinup.net, and I will go ahead and jump right in. All right, let's go ahead and start with our stamping first. I'm using some of our Whisper White cardstock. This piece is cut at 3 1/4 by 4 1/2, and this is just a little scrap piece of Whisper White cardstock that I have. I'm going to be using the Melon Mambo ink pad, which is obviously my favorite color because my nails even match the project today. And the shirt that I'm wearing, you can't even see it, but it's Melon Mambo as well. I'm going to be using this elephant here, and I'm using To My Friend stamp, so To My Friend stamp. Yes, so this stamp set is very versatile. I believe you find it in the occasions section, section of our catalog. So it's great for baby showers and things like that, but you can also just use it for anything you want. There's a congratulations, I'll forget you not, a little kindness is a big thing, celebrate your big day. So you can use this for just about anything, and I have used it for just about anything. So I'll jump right in. I'm going to use the elephant, ink it up in my Melon Mambo, and I'm just going to stamp it at the bottom of my scrap paper. And it's got to be my, I don't even know what I'm saying today, but welcome to my channel. There's not going to be any edits today because I am in that mood. It's very cold. It's a cold winter day, and I just want to sit around and craft. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time editing this video. It has to be like this because when we are using it with the elephant builder punch, when we turn this over, the elephant punch is at the top. So we'll just go ahead and do this right now. And then we line this up and just press punch. And then we have an elephant little punch. So today what is unique about this card and this project is everything I'm using is punches, which is kind of fun. Now let's grab our To My Friend stamp, and I'm just going to put the bottom left side, To My Friend. This is a very simple card. I love the simple cards with just the pops of color and of course the added silver sparkle today. So I am going to, let's go ahead and work with the elephant first. Make sure I have everything I need. Okay, I'm using a scrap of our Melon Mambo cardstock. And I'm going to be using that with our Starburst punch. And all you do is flip it over, and this is locked in place. You simply unlock it. And then everything you do with these punches is upside down. It's just super easy. And then you have a lot less waste with your cardstock because you can line it up to save the cardstock. And now I'm going to be using our 1 3/4 inch punch, and I'm going to turn this over, and I'm using that with our beautiful silver glimmer paper. This is our wonderfully sparkly, glorious, I love this paper. It comes in 12 by 12 sheets. You get 2 sheets, so every little bit of it is precious. And I'm going to put that right there. Now it's time to put our card together. And I'm using a piece of our thick Whisper White cardstock. This is cut at 5 1/2 by 8 1/2 inches, which means you can get 2 cards out of 1 sheet of cardstock. I have this scored at 4 1/4. And I'm going to fold this in half using our bone folder. Gives you a nice tight crease. If you see, I don't have any of the bumpies. I can go like this and there's no bumpies. Now I am going to start layering these ones up. So I'll start with this piece of the Whisper White that we stamped, and I'm using our snail adhesive. I'm going to put that on this piece of Melon Mambo cardstock. This Melon Mambo cardstock is cut at 3.5 inches by 4 3/4 inches. And that'll give me a nice layer where the Melon Mambo is just popping through. Now I'm going to take a strip of the same silver glimmer that we were using earlier. This is a great way to use up your scraps with the silver or any of our glimmer papers because it is so precious. You want to use every little bit of it. So you can add just pops of it here and there. You can even use smaller pieces for smaller punches or die cuts. I'm just going to put our snail on here, and I'm going to put this from not right, the white to the white cardstock, side by side, or side to side. Now I'm going to put the adhesive on this, and I have a nice thick border, and it's so fun. I love this. So this was did I say the size on this one? 4 3/4 by 3.5 for the Melon Mambo. I think it did, I can't remember. All right, so now we're gonna start layering this up. I'm going to put the silver circle onto my Melon Mambo punch. Oh, I forgot one thing that I'm going to do with my silver. So let's pull out the silver glimmer again, and I'm going to pull out my elephant punch. And this is also a great time to use up, I don't know if it'll fit right there, but maybe I can make it work. Let me try. I can, look at that. So I'm going to use just this little tiny piece, and I was able to use up a corner. What a brilliant idea. Less waste. Lots of sparkly ears. So now I'm going to turn this ear over, and I'm using our mini dimensionals, which they're just wonderful. If you don't own these yet, you can just cut one of our regular dimensionals in half. And I'm going to put the ear on like that. I know, so cute. Now I'm going to take a regular Stampin' dimensional, which is just our regular size. If I can pull it off here. And I'm going to just put one on the back. And now because I'm putting adhesive on top of the glimmer paper, I always like to reinforce it with a glue dot. And I just feel like the glue dot just really gets in to all the glitter on the glimmer paper. It just settles itself, it squishes itself in there, and it just secures it very well. Okay, now we're going to turn this piece over. And I'm going to add 3 dimensionals to the back. Flip it over. I'm going to take the backs off. I just love dimensionals. If you haven't tried them yet, they're great to pop up your images. I use them for scrapbooking, card making, bag making. Okay, so here's some of let me just throw some of these over here, give you guys an example. It's just so fun. If you guys these are great gifts for your friends and family too. Make them sets of cards, and it's just so fun to create these. We also carry clear boxes that you can package them in, and they're just so fun. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are not a subscriber, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel where I share more of my crafty creations with you. And you can find me at MYPINKSTAMPER.com. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.